Kindson the Genius here, and today we are going to continue with formatting your plot. So today let's see how we can format our plot a little further. So there is something called a format string that is like a shortcut that can add a number of attributes to your plot without you having to write a whole lot of things. Alright, so let's start by creating a new plot. So now I'm going to type it out myself. So I'm going to say x is equal to np numpy.linspace. So basically, linspace is a function that helps you generate a sequence of data, this time from -5 to +5, and I need 40 values to be generated, and y is going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. So I'm going to say y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 2. So in case you don't know how to write mathematical formula in Python, try to take some time to go through my lessons. You'll get to understand. So now I'm going to say plt.plot. I'm going to plot x and y. And now if I run this code, it's going to plot plt.plot x and y line space. So I'm missing out x here. Also, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed to my channel. So click on the subscribe button below right now to subscribe. So now I'm going to change something. So let's say color. This time I'm just going to say C is equal to red. So I'm going to say C stand for color. So just know that that's a shorthand way. C stands for color. It should work. Okay, so color is equal to R. Okay, I think this is what I would like to do. Okay, let's just say it right. Something isn't right. So color is equal to right should work. Okay, so let's say C is equal to right. So I need a comma here. So it's actually going to work at this point. So at this point, I'm going to say C is equal to R. Now using shortcuts helps you to make things easier. So now I'm just saying C equals R. So marker equals S. So let's see what it gives us. So we have marker is equal to S, so means square. So marker is equal to C. I think that should give us a circle. I don't know, but let's see. So it seems not to work. So, but marker is equal to S means that the marker is going to be a square. So you can also say marker is equal to star. So marker is equal to star is going to be a star marker. So let's see how it looks like at this point. So let's see. So you can see that we have a star. Right. So let's say marker face color equals blue. Okay. Now I would like you to play around. Now you can see that the face color is a color in between. So if I enlarge it, you can see that. Okay. So I'm just going to use marker size equal to 9 so that it becomes a little bigger so that we can see it. So marker size, we need this. Okay, so you can see it's blue. So maybe make it a little bigger at this point, so 15. So the color is blue. That is what I want you to see. All right, it doesn't end there. We also want to use something called rs, the shortcut rs.dot. Let's use it and let's see what it gives us. So let's start by going back to how our plot was at this point. All right, so it's just a normal plot, and let's also take out this marker as well. So what we want to do now is to use a shortcut. Just write rs dot. So what does this mean? It means a red line, a square marker, and a dash line. A red color line, a square marker, and then the line style is going to be dashed. So let's see. So that, as you can see right now, so I have R for red line, S for square marker. So I'm just going to add it as a comment, red line, S, red line R, and square marker S, and dashed line is presented in this way. Okay, so the table below shows the shortcut for many other attributes. So if I change the first R to B, it's going to now give me a blue line, as you can see right there. So we have shortcut for marker. So I have circle can be O. So let's say instead of using BS, let's say BO. So it's going to be a circular marker, and so on and so forth. So we have these types of line. For instance, I can also change to dotted line. So let's use dotted line at this point. I'm going to use this, and you can see it changes to dotted line. So you can play around with the format specification, the shortcuts. So just use the shortcut and to give you exactly what you want. I'm going to stop here, and in the next class, that will be lesson 4. We are now going to be looking at pyplot functions. We can see how we can use functions to further format our plot. I remain Kynton Genius. I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment if you have any comments, and we'll see you in the next lesson.